trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree, we will calculate the values of these two specific angles, right? So in my previous video, I told you a trick for how to make a table. Now in this video, we'll discuss how we get the values actually of 30 degree and 60 degree. For getting the values of 30 and 60 degree, we have to means that all six ratios for 30 degree and 60 degree, we have to make a equilateral triangle. So consider an equilateral triangle ABC. Let us take an equilateral triangle ABC with side 2A. Let's say the sides are 2A. Okay. Now we have to do something construction here. We have to construct here a perpendicular. Let's say AM is the perpendicular. So let triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle where AM is perpendicular on BC. We all know the concept of congruency. Let me remind that if I'm taking these two triangles, AMB and AMC, AB is equal to AC, number one, AM equal to AM common, and these two angles 1 and 2, let me give the name to these angles. Angle 1 and 2 both are equal because both of them are equal to 90 degree. So these two triangles are congruent by RHS congruency rule. And if these two triangles are congruent, that means these two angles must be equal, 3 and 4. Also, these angles are also equal, but we have angle B equal to C already. They are equal because in an equilateral triangle, each angle is of 60 degrees. So what I want to tell you that angle 3 is equal to angle 4 here. Also BM is equal to MC. By CPCT we have taken two things, BM equal to MC and angle 3 equal to angle 4, right? But now if whole angle A is of 60 degree, because this is an equilateral triangle, and in an equilateral triangle each angle is of 60 degree, so angle A should also be equal to 60 degree. And if angle A is 60 and 3 and 4 are equal, that means angle 3 equal to 4 equal to 30 degree. Okay, and angle B is again 60 degree. Why it is 60 degree? Because it is an angle of an equilateral triangle. Okay, so now I'm just making it again so that it will be clearly visible to you. This is A, B, C, this is M. These two sides are equal. If it is 2A, this is 2A. What about this one? This should be A. As this is 2A, this is the midpoint, so it should be A. And this angle, we know that of 60 degree, and this angle is of 30 degree. Now we'll calculate the values of all the ratios. But before doing that, we have to find out what is the value of AM here. Again, as AM was perpendicular on BC, so in right triangle AMC, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem, and according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square should be equal to AM square plus BM square, right? So this is according to Pythagoras theorem, but the value of AB square is 2A. Okay, and AM square we don't know. We have to find out the value of AM square. BM is A, so it will be A square. Open up the bracket, I'll get 4A square. Take this A square on left hand side, this will be minus A square equal to AM square, And finally, I'll get the value of am square as 3a square, or am is root 3a square, that is root 3a. Now I have the value of am also, that is root 3a. Now in this right triangle AMB, I have AM, AB and BM. All three values I'm having, so that I can easily find out the values of the six ratios. Let us see how we can calculate that. Okay, before finding out the six ratios, you should have the formula, and the formula, the trick I have given as पापा है सोनीपत, बेटा है चंडीगढ़, पापा बेटा ताऊ के घर. Right? S for sine, this is for cos, this is for tan. Now first I'll take the values for 60 degree. 460 degree, right? And 460 degree in triangle ABN. What is the value of P, B and H? If we have the values of P, B, H, we can solve it out for sine, cos and respectively for all six ratios. If this is angle 60 degree, so this must be the base, that means BM, and BM is A. So base is A. And side opposite to angle will be the perpendicular. So AM is the perpendicular, and perpendicular is root 3A. And the side opposite to 90 degree is always hypotenuse, and here it is 2A. Okay, now I have the value of PBH 460 degree. Now we can find out the value of sine 60 degree will be P by H. That means root 3A by 2A. This will cancel out, and this is root 3 by 2. Similarly, you can get the value of cos 60. Cos 60 is B by H. That means A by 2A. This will cancel out, so 1 by 2. Similarly, we can get the value of 60, tan 60, and tan 60 is Papa Beta Tau ke ghar. P by B. P means root 3A, B means A. This will cancel out, and it is root 3. Now the next three ratios you can get either by reciprocal or by from here also, right? So now sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 degree will be, I'm writing that values here, cosec 60 degree is reciprocal of this, that means 2 by root 3. Sec 60 degree from here 2 by 1, and cot 60 degree is reciprocal of this, that means 1 by root 3. So these 6 and these 6, total 6 values for the 60 degree are this. So you can find out the values of all 6 ratios for 60 degree in this way. Similarly, from this triangle we can get the values of 30 degree. I'm just showing you one or two values, and rest of the values you can find out in the same way. Okay, so for 30 degree we have to write it again. For 30 degree means for this angle, what will be the values of P, B and H? I told you in my earlier videos that according to this angle, these angles, the base and perpendicular will change. So if I'm taking this angle, this must be the base, means AM. AM should be the base for 30 degree. So it is root 3A, and the side opposite to the given angle must be perpendicular. So this is BM as perpendicular, so it is equal to A. And hypotenuse will remain same. There will be no change in hypotenuse. Okay. Now PBH we have, and in the same way as we have find out the values in 60 degree, we can find the values here also for 30 degree. Suppose I have I want to get the value of sine 30. Again, I have the formula for that is Papa hai Sonipat. So P means A, H means 2A. This will cancel out. So the value is 1 by 2. Similarly, cos 30 is B by H. That means root 3A by 2A, and it is root 3 by 2. Okay. Similarly, tan 30 is Papa beta. That means P is A and it is root 3A, which is equal to 1 by root 3. And if you want to get the value of cosec, sec and cot, you just have to reciprocate the values. I hope you understand how we can get the values of 30 and 60 degree for these specific angles.